Denis Siplenkov and David Dadikian have both given their opinions about the controversial Alijan Muratov situation and also their predictions of the upcoming Vitaly versus Levan match. Then we will talk about the event where Coach Ray is going to compete against Auden Larratt in just a few hours from now. Dadikian said that although Alijan is a very strong guy and he has a lot of respect for him as an athlete, but his actions are already becoming incomprehensible. However, Alijan is reacting about this situation by not accepting the Dadikian 115 kg left arm title match. David is not a big fan of that behavior. He understands that everyone wants to earn more money, but at the same time, you cannot be unrealistic like Alijan is being right now. This situation has been so disappointing and depressing for Dadikian that he has been brought to a point where he seems no longer interested in this super match. He would rather prepare for the super heavyweight arm wrestlers and then get a shot for Vitaly's super heavyweight title after winning a few matches. Or maybe he gets a shot right away because he deserves it. I don't know how things are going to play out. So as of now, Dadikian just wants to know who his next opponent is and he wants to start preparing for that match. Denis also said that he understands that money is one of the most important factors for all of the athletes, but Alijan needs to find a middle ground now. He has to decide between keeping his belt or getting the amount of money which he is asking to face Dadikian. He cannot have both. He needs to set his standards more clearly about what is the minimum amount that he's expecting and also what is the maximum amount that he's expecting for a super match. So do you guys think that Alijan is wasting his potential, his prime years by not competing at East versus West? Now his contract has expired, so technically he can compete outside, but he isn't competing anywhere else because in the other leagues, there is no one on his level who can compete against him, not even the super heavyweight guys. So there may be like 10 different organizations in this world, but Alijan can only compete at East versus West. Or maybe he asks some of the East versus West guys to compete outside, like Alex Kordecha competes in North America. Maybe he can compete against Alijan. And then they were asked about their predictions for the Vitaly Levan match. Dadikian said that of course Vitaly has a chance. He is the most worthy opponent. No one has as much chances as him. But still, for him, Levan is the favorite until proven otherwise. And Denis Siplenkov said the exact same thing. He also mentioned that Vitaly also has a chance. He's not the favorite to win against Levan, but he has more chances than anyone else to take the Georgian beast down. So Auden is competing both left and right. On the right, he's competing against Coach Ray, as we have discussed. On the left, he'll be competing against Leroy Walker. We used to call out Auden for not taking difficult matches around the time when he was competing against the Biker, the arm wrestling whisperer at King of the Table. And since then, he's taking very difficult matches. I mean, he lost 3-0 to Artem Ternenko, and now he's competing against Coach Ray, who is a better super match puller than Artem. Artem may be better than Coach Ray in tournament format, but Coach Ray is definitely a lot more difficult to deal with in a super match. Artem Ternenko is also competing twice on this card, and there are a bunch of other matches as well. Pay-per-view link will be in the description. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.